What's up, guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, guys, today we are in the M Streets area in Dallas. It's kind of an east of Dallas. It's only 5 minutes from Lower Greenville Avenue. Really cool neighborhood. We're also 5 minutes from SMU and just like 10-minute drive to North Park Mall. Really awesome neighborhood. Sheila, give us more information about this property.
Yes, this is built in 2023 by Rossi Custom Homes. It's 4 beds, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,158 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,975,000, which is $475 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.16 acre lot, which is roughly 7,000 square feet.
That's awesome. Sheila, thanks so much for that information. Guys, just want to remind you, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, if you need some guidance with real estate, well, we are your guy and gal. We've been in the business for over 10 years. We're partnered with the #1 luxury firm in Dallas, Texas, and have tons of experience. You get to it, just not just one. But anyways, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your seller or buyer needs. Maybe you're relocating to the Dallas area, need some guidance with real estate. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.